In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward emails from multiple inboxes to a single inbox on Gmail. This process is simple, quick, and will make managing your emails so much easier, consolidating all your messages into one convenient spot. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening your Gmail account. Log in with your credentials and make sure you're in the inbox of the email account you'd like to forward from. Once you're there, you'll notice a settings icon in the upper right hand corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking on the settings icon, a drop down menu will appear. You'll want to choose the option that says See All Settings. This will take you to a new page loaded with multiple settings tabs. We're interested in the Forwarding and Pop IMAP tab, so click on that. Inside the Forwarding and Pop IMAP tab, you'll see an option labelled Add a Forwarding Address. Select this option and a field will appear, prompting you to enter the email address you want to forward your emails to. Carefully type in that destination address and then click Next to proceed. At this point, a pop-up window will appear asking for confirmation to proceed. Click on the Proceed button to continue the forwarding process. Google will now send a verification message to the email address you've just entered as your forwarding address. You'll need to head over to that destination inbox and open the verification email. Inside, you'll find a link. By clicking this link, you'll verify the forwarding request. This step is crucial as it ensures you have access and permission to forward emails to that address. After verifying, return to your original Gmail account, and back in the Forwarding and Pop IMAP settings, you'll now have the opportunity to adjust how forwarding functions. You'll see an option to forward a copy of incoming mail to, followed by the email address you verified. Make sure this is selected. Additionally, below this you have the option to decide what happens to the original copy of the emails in the inbox you're forwarding from. You can choose to keep a copy in the original inbox, archive it, or delete it. Choose what best suits your preference for managing your emails. Finally, ensure everything is set correctly and then save your changes by clicking Save Changes at the bottom of the page. And there you have it, you've successfully set up email forwarding from one inbox to another in Gmail. Now all incoming emails from the accounts you've set will automatically be forwarded to your designated inbox, streamlining your email management. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.